This advantage can lead to sustained profitability and market dominance, enhancing your investment's potential. By setting these specific criteria, you reduce uncertainty, enabling you to act swiftly and confidently. Don't let your indecision hold you back. Define your criteria today and take control of your investment journey. Remember, the clarity you establish now becomes the foundation for making informed, agile decisions. Your future financial success depends on the actions you take to make informed investment decisions swiftly. It's crucial to identify a few reliable sources of information. Imagine the clarity you'll gain by focusing on trustworthy outlets, reducing the overwhelming influx of data. Limiting your sources not only cuts down on noise, but also minimizes conflicting information, allowing you to act confidently and promptly. Morningstar Equity Research is known for its objective and thorough evaluations of stocks. Morningstar offers detailed analysis that can simplify your decision-making process. Their star rating system highlights the strengths and weaknesses of potential stock investments, helping you focus on what truly matters. Imagine confidently choosing stocks because an authority like Morningstar backs your decisions. If immediate income is one of your goals, Dividend.com is an invaluable resource. It provides comprehensive data on dividend-paying stocks, including dividend history, yield, and payout ratios. By focusing on this reliable source, you can quickly identify stocks that offer consistent dividends, aligning with your need for regular income. Think about the satisfaction of receiving steady dividends from well-researched companies. Seeking Alpha offers a wide range of investment research and analysis from both professional analysts and experienced investors. The platform provides insights into market trends, company performance, and stock valuations. By tapping into this wealth of information, you can make informed decisions swiftly. Visualize making a confident investment because you leveraged insights from a community of experts. Imagine the time you'll save by not sifting through endless articles and opinions. Envision making decisions with confidence, knowing your information comes from credible and respected sources like Morningstar, Dividend.com, and Seeking Alpha. This clarity empowers you to act swiftly, keeping you ahead in the fast-paced world of stock investing. Take action now. Choose these or other trusted sources that best align with your investment goals and commit to following them regularly. By streamlining your information intake, you set yourself up for more efficient decision-making and ultimately greater investment success.